This initial solution will show you how to watch YouTube app and watch other apps on iPhone. Using the picture-in-picture on your iPhone, you will be able to do it. Picture-in-picture shrinks a video into a small player, so you can keep watching while using other apps on your iPhone. You can move the small player around your device home screen and position it over other apps. To use picture-in-picture, exit the YouTube app while a video is playing. If you have the picture-in-picture setting turned on, the video will shrink into a PIP window. The PIP window can be dragged to different parts of the screen, allowing playback to continue on top of other apps. You can pause or stop playing a video before you exit YouTube to prevent PIP from turning on. And note one thing, if you're outside of the US, you will need a YouTube Premium membership to use picture-in-picture with any content of YouTube. And now let's see how you can turn on this picture-in-picture mode. On your iPhone or iOS device, open Settings and tap General, and here you will get picture-in-picture option. So you have to turn on picture-in-picture. Then go to your YouTube app, tap on your profile at the top right corner, tap on Settings, then tap on General, and here you will get picture-in-picture. So you have to toggle on this to enable, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.